The 3 patterns in every contractor's lost estimates. I've audited estimates across HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and general contracting. 3 patterns appear in the lost bids every single time. Pattern 1 is no follow-up at all. The estimate goes out and the contractor waits for the phone to ring. It doesn't ring. The job goes to whoever followed up first. This single pattern accounts for 50 to 70% of lost bids in every company I audit. Pattern 2 is follow-up that happens too late. Day 5, Day 7, sometimes Day 14. By then, the customer has already made a decision or lost the urgency entirely. The effective follow-up window is 24 to 48 hours. After that, the probability of closing drops significantly with every additional day of silence. Pattern 3 is a follow-up message that adds no value. Just checking in and let me know if you have questions are not follow-up messages. They are placeholders that give the customer no reason to respond. A real follow-up gives them something: a held time slot, a crew already in their area, a warranty detail, an easy way to say no if they've moved on, something that moves the conversation forward rather than sitting in their inbox doing nothing. Fix all 3 of these patterns, and your close rate will improve. I have never seen it fail. The contractor who follows up fast, follows up with value, and follows up on every single bid will outclose the competition regardless of price. These are not complex problems. They're simple habits that nobody installed for you. That's what I install. No red tape. DM me audit to find out which of the 3 patterns is costing you the most. NoRedTapeGuy.com. And with that, more to come.